Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Fiesta front bumper. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need both a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver, along with a ratchet and sockets, specifically 7mm and 8mm sizes. A T20 Torx bit is also essential. Don't forget a trim removal tool for those stubborn plastic clips. Make sure your workspace is safe and well lit, and consider using a car jack and axle stands for easier access. Now, let's start with the lower sections. Begin by removing the plastic clips and any 7mm bolts securing the undercarriage splash shield. Next, turn your attention to the wheel wells. Use your T20 Torx bit to remove the screws holding the wheel arch liners. Once those are out, gently pull back the liners to gain access to the inner fasteners. You'll find 8mm bolts connecting the fender to the bumper. Remove these on both sides. Moving to the top, open your hood to expose the upper bumper area. You'll typically find 2 Phillips head pop clips along the top bumper liner. Remove these. Next, it's time to address the headlights. Each headlight is usually held by 2 T30 Torx screws and 1 clip. Once these are removed, carefully wiggle the headlights out and disconnect their electrical connectors. Don't forget to unplug the fog light harnesses, usually found by reaching into the bumper opening. With all the fasteners and electrical connections disconnected, the bumper should now be ready for removal. Carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides where it meets the fenders. It's a good idea to have a friend help you with this step to prevent damage. As you pull it free, be prepared to place it on a soft surface to protect its finish. Always double-check for any overlooked clips or bolts before completely detaching it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.